So, guys, we have seen two different approaches in executing this particular TS file. Right. Let me show you the another two approaches. For which, what I am doing right now is I'm trying to uninstall that TS node. Whatever we have installed, I have uninstalled it. Now, TS node hyphen version. When I check it, it's saying that TS node not found, which means the TS node is successfully uninstalled. Then, Surendra, how are you going to execute a TypeScript file directly with a node version of a 20.6 plus and a 22.x versions? TypeScript comes by default. You no need to use any TS node. That's the latest feature. So what can I do? Basically, switch to the folder first. So switch to this particular basics node print info.ts. That's it. Automatically, that content will be executed. So the only thing is a node, that particular file name .ts, automatically your code will be executed. And the another approach is there is a plugin basically, which is a code runner plugin. Install this particular code runner plugin, okay, or an extension. And upon installing that extension, go to the manage and go to this particular settings. And here, as part of this, a code runner executor map, right? Editing in settings JSN. And here, if you look at it, this particular TypeScript, make sure that it's pointing to the node. That's it, guys. Save this particular file, close these settings. We have added this extension also, close it. And when you open your particular file, right? When you look at this particular file, okay, here you do have an option as a play button here. This is the play button next to that particular file. Okay, so directly click on that particular play button and check whether the script is executing or not. I just clicked on a play button. See here, this is Surendra Jagannatham TS file got executed. So here Surendra Jagannatham TypeScript file, save it and hit this particular play button. And if you scroll down here, see in the console, it is saying that this is Surendra Jagannatham TypeScript file got executed. So this is the way how exactly you can execute it, guys. So these are the various approaches. Among all these approaches, right? The code runner is the simple option. Right after creating the test script, you do have an option to play. With this approach, we will be executing that. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.